perfect day. Team's ready. It's gonna be a good day. Patients scheduled. Oh, wait a minute. Switch that one. And everything's lined up. And then life happens. Oh, look, my assistant's gone. You're sick? Again? Oh, wait, it gets better. The lab case doesn't show. And your only patient of the day doesn't follow pre-op instructions. Suddenly, your whole day is tipping. But here's the trick. You don't have to let it all collapse. Step one, stop. Breathe. One bad moment doesn't have to wreck your entire day. Step two, reset the big stuff. Don't waste energy on the little things.
We got you.
Step three, lean on your team. You'll reset faster. A great day isn't about avoiding problems. It's about bouncing back fast. Stop the fall, reset, and keep moving forward. Attack!
Oscar.